Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here at the Broder Farm community here, built by D.R. Horton. They're about to start phase 2 of this community, so I just wanted to show you a couple of the plans that they have here. This one that I'm going to show you now is the Elle plan, and I can't wait to show it to you. They'll have these on basements, so you might want to get in as soon as possible. If you are interested in the Broder Farm community or living in Stockbridge, Georgia, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to be of assistance to you, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.